March on, done your collection!
That's me, Michael. They're all ours.
Really?
The guy that was shooting over there. 1 minute left, guys. Final minute.
Yeah.
I can barely see.
Hit, hit, hit! Well done, mate! Hit!
And that's game over, guys.
That's a good position to get through the window.
Thank you. Only one's mine.
That's fun. A nice spot. I was able to shoot through the doorways and the windows.
Yeah? Was that you in there we had that little fight with?
No, I was in the bushes just over there laying down.
Yeah?
I was able to shoot through the doorway and through that front end.
Just lying at the front.
And then one of your yellow band one, I shot his gun. I knew he hit him, but he didn't call it. But it was one of those things. Got away with it.
I think it's happening on both sides, to be honest with you.
Whereas with this side, one of your players come this way. But this come around the corner, I said, shot him, he didn't even see me. I said, open. Scared the shit out of him.